Hello ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have a little look at how we sign up to Seneca and join a class, which is what you're going to need to do for a lot of your science teams work. So the first thing we need to do, go to the website. The easiest thing is type in Seneca and click on the first link that appears there. This is the Seneca website, senecalearning.com. The next thing you're looking for, top right, sign up. And here we're going to need to put in our name and our email, and a password. As far as your username goes, that's going to be your email. Easiest one is to use your moorsidehigh.com, which follows the first name dot surname at moorsidehigh.com. You can use anything else, but if you do choose to use an Apple account, an iCloud, Hotmail or any other provider, make sure that you make a note of it in your planner and actually do that now, write it in. Same thing with your password too, because you need to remember those and reset those. If anything goes wrong, you lose them. Okay, I am Iron Man. It's a nice safe password there. Click sign up. Click that you're a student, because you're a student. The school is Moorside High School. And if you don't know your parents' email, you can ask one. You can also put in your own email again, or something else like that. It doesn't really affect the outcome, but obviously you do want your parents or guardians knowing what web platform that you're using. Obviously. Here's what your homepage looks like. It's got your name up here. If it's not your name, you might be sharing a computer with someone else and you need to log them out. We're going to need to join a class. So click on classes and click on join a class. If I have a quick look at what it says in my Teams on my assignments, I clicked on the assignment tab at the top. I've got this instruction that I need to join a Seneca class. Over here we've got a code, and it's easiest to copy and paste that rather than try and paste it. There we go, paste that in. If we've done it right, then there we go, look. So that's joined us into the class here. I can see the assignments that have been set and the courses that I've got. So I can do my assignments by clicking on Start Learning, or I can do my own revision by clicking on the course and choosing something that we've studied before, like cells, and I can choose to go on to my own revision and learning. Okay, thanks very much for your time and watching this. Good luck and have fun.